Ah, ah.
Where are we?
I don't know.
We're in Beechworth.
We're in Beechworth.
We're in Beechworth on our way to our induction course. 4:17 in the afternoon. It starts at 6:30 and we are doing... What are we doing tonight? We're doing theory tonight.
Theory.
So it's all theory. So the cool part about it, Harry being on his learners, he's going to learn a heap of stuff tonight as well. Niki's pretty keen to have a drive on the weekend, so she's going to learn some stuff tonight because she's never done any of the driving, and I'm going to learn about, you know, basically this side of all driving.
I'm warming my hands up inside.
Oh, you use 10 metres. You just don't need to stretch it to the 20.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that you need a 10-metre run.
Oh, that's why I give the questionnaires out. It's not a, okay, we've all finished now, I'll hand it.
But it is cold. Harry's down here. They told us it was a full drive trip and we couldn't get the caravans into the next stop. But if you look over here, they all got caravans. So only the two of us here in Swags. Yeah, coffee breaking.
Did you say 7:30? I woke up for breakfast. I can't see. My hair's all frizzy.
Now be careful, right? Because you're baking an egg. Your egg is runny.
Recovery gear here, and I'll pass a couple of things around like that. This bag of stuff is all lightweight, rope-based recovery stuff. And a lot of this stuff, even though it's lighter weight, is actually better rated than some of the old type stuff.
Been over at the club rooms talking about recovery gear, and now we're going to do, behind here we're going to do a mock recovery so everyone can see it. Unfortunately can't video that because one of the members doesn't want to be recorded, so you can just see in the background there that we've got a big field out here, and yeah, we're just doing a mock recovery, so we're seeing how everything goes, but we'll skip to some B-roll footage while we do this and come back to you later. So we've just left Tarrawinji, we're headed back towards Beechworth and we're turning on the Eldorado road. So it's only a short little drive from where we stayed last night. That. I learned a heap last night. You'll see some footage. Harry made it to the very end, fell asleep.
I fell asleep. It was 11 o'clock.
Yeah, it was late night. A couple of people left, went home. But yeah, I learned a heap. I'm pretty sure it was enjoyable for everyone.
but anyway. Go full 4-link in a barrow. I want 18 inches.
But we'll go for a bit of a walk just up this track here, and there's some good little bits to have a look at up here.
If someone does this, you can get the practice out of recovery.
To there, so a few people have got some really big tyres and come out for a bit of a play here. Within that much of starting, all of a sudden we're down there.
Someone's got some good ground clearance.
So one of the implications of yeah, so it's a 12,000 kilo winch. 12 ton winch. Car weighs just over 3 tonne as it sits there like that. This gives you a bit of an idea of how strong it might be and that sort of thing. So, did we do that? I don't think that was in the course that you did originally.
On the car, yeah. Sorry.